Welcome back to Adventures, Trails, and Tales. Today we're exploring Cascade Falls, a hidden gem in Bloomington, Indiana that offers a quick but stunning nature escape. Just a short drive from Indiana University, this peaceful spot is perfect for students needing a break or for families looking for an easy outdoor adventure. The hike to Cascade Falls is super short, around 0.3 miles round trip. Most of it is boardwalk, which is excellent. But don't let the distance fool you. This trail packs in plenty of beauty. And check out our Griffey Lake video for more Bloomington action. We visited on a cold winter day, and the frozen falls made the whole scene extra magical for us. Cascade Park isn't just about the falls, it's also super family friendly. There's an awesome playground nearby that kids will love, plus plenty of space to run around, picnic, and do whatever your heart desires to stay active. This park feels like stepping into another world, a great escape from the city. It's a great spot to just stop and take it in. Thanks for tuning in for this short but sweet adventure to Cascade Falls. If you enjoy this type of content, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for joining us on this short but sweet adventure. We're going to get ready to get the video started. The peaceful boardwalk runs alongside a flowing stream, leading us on a gentle incline toward the falls. It's an easy stroll that feels like a nature retreat right in the city. One of the coolest parts, you can actually walk right up underneath the falls. In the winter, with the ice formations, it's like walking into a natural amphitheater. Definitely bring waterproof boots if you want to get up close or test your rock hopping skills. If you've been here before or know other hidden gems around Bloomington, drop a comment below. We've only visited once, but we had a heck of a time, and we're always looking for new trails to explore if we ever make it back.
And because it's cold, we got it all to ourselves. Why are you laughing?
You just fell all the way down that.
You see all those scrape marks? Yeah. Sometimes it's a little painful to get the perfect shot.
The park is wide open. Check out these massive Norway spruces towering overhead. Cascade Falls is such a peaceful spot, especially on a snowy winter day. Don't let the cold keep you inside. We were slip sliding around the natural beauty within Cascade Falls. It was a perfect little escape, while also packing a punch full of views. We are Adventures, Trails, and Tales. Exploring hidden gems is the name of our game, and we take outdoor adventure one trail at a time and post them here for you. See you on the next hike. Have a great day.